Top 5 Best Benchtop Planer. The 5 Best Benchtop Planer in present time. We are going to check out 5 Best Benchtop Planer quality this year. This list is my personal opinion. I try to list this best product on their price, quality, durability and many more. Number 1 Porter Cable Benchtop Jointer, Variable Speed, 6-inch, PC160JT. Price, $320.39. Manufacturer? Porter Cable, Part Number? PC160JT, Item Weight? 35 pounds, Product Dimensions? 32.1 x 12.4 x 11.2 inches, Country of Origin? China, Item Model Number? PC160JT, is discontinued by manufacturer? No. Style, Jointer, Variable 6,000 to 11,000 RPM speed range allows the user to select the right speed for the size and hardness of material being cut. 2-knife cutter head with jack screw knife leveling arrangement for easy replacement and adjustment of knives. Built-in cutter head lock facilitates knife replacement and adjustment. Extra large table provides ample work support and surfacing stock up to a full 6 inches wide. Center mounted fence gives needed support throughout the cut for accurate edge jointing. Number 2 Craftsman Benchtop Planer, 15 amp, CME W320. Price, $349.00. Style, Planer, Brand Craftsman, Package Dimensions 23.5 x 17.5 x 15.4 inches. 61.35 pounds, Style Planer, included components, 1, CME W320 Benchtop Planer, Manufacturer? Craftsman, Part Number? CME W320, Item Weight 61.2 pounds, Package Dimensions? 23.5 x 17.5 x 15.4 inches, Country of Origin? Taiwan. Hard and soft wood material removal. 15 amp motor of the woodworking planer provides power for both hard and soft wood material removal. Maximum stock removal. The thickness planer features poly V cutter head drive for maximum stock removal. Smooth operation. The wood planer featuring 2-knife, quick change, solid steel cutter head mounted on ball bearings, assures smooth operation and long life. Number 3 Dual Thickness Planer, 2-speed, 13-inch, DW735X. Price, $595.97. Manufacturer? DEWALT, Part Number? DW735X, Item Weight? 105 pounds, Product Dimensions? 24x 22x 18 inches, Country of Origin? Taiwan, Item Model Number? DW735X, is discontinued by manufacturer? No. Purchase includes one stationary 13 inches planer, in-out feed tables with fasteners, attached to the base of the planer base, extra blades and dust hose adapter. Stand is not included. 3-knife cutter head of the thickness planer delivers 30% longer knife life and makes knife change faster and easier. 2-speed gearbox of the wood planer allows users to change feed speed to optimizing cuts per inch at 96 or 179 CPI. Fan-assisted chip ejection vacuums chip off of the cutter head and exhausts them out of the machine. 19-3/4 inch cast aluminum base is 2 times more rigid than a standard 10-inch base and folding tables. Number 4 Dual Thickness Planer, 2-speed, 13-inch, DW735. Price, $599.00. Manufacturer? DEWALT, Part Number? DW735, Item Weight? 90 pounds, Product Dimensions? 24x 22x 19 inches, Country of Origin? Taiwan, Item Model Number? DW735, is discontinued by manufacturer? No. Style? 2-speed planer 13 inches, powerful 15 amp, 20,000 rpms motor, 10,000 rpms cutter head speed, handles larger cuts and wider materials with ease. 3-knife cutter head delivers 30% longer knife life and makes knife change faster and easier. 2-speed gearbox allows users to change feed speed to optimizing cuts per inch at 96 or 179 CPI. Fan-assisted chip ejection vacuums chips off of the cutter head and exhausts them out of the machine. Number 5 JETJWP13BT, 13-inch helical-style benchtop planer, 120V1pH, 722,130. Price, $849.99. Manufacturer? JET, part number? 180,410, item weight? 75 pounds, product dimensions? 26x17x21 inches, country of origin? Taiwan, item model number? 722,130, smooth cuts, helical-style cutter head, with easy-to-change blades, provides a clean cuts. Reduced snipe, precision machine cast iron bed and steel cover assists in keeping boards flat. Powerful motor, 2 horsepower 15 amp motor turns the cutter head at 10,000 rpms. Maximum efficiency, dual and feed speed control for either 18 fpm or 26 fpm, maximizes cut efficiency on different wood material types. 4-post design, for maximum control and support of cutter head in reference to workpiece and cast table. Check out the description link for more information and latest price.